Hi guys! What are the first signs of spring to you, food-wise? For me, it must be rhubarb and strawberries, fresh strawberries. So, that's why I'm calling this dessert First Signs of Spring Dessert, and I'm going to show you today how to make it. You want to start with the rhubarb. I'm using 4 stalks. You can see they're not very thick, so quite thin stalks. And then I'm just cutting off the ends. Then you want to cube the rhubarb into this kind of small pieces. And next we have the strawberries. I'm using fresh strawberries because we have them available already and I've tried and they taste really nice and sweet. So if you can get fresh strawberries, use fresh. If you cannot get any fresh strawberries, you can also use frozen strawberries instead. And also with the strawberries, you want to cut them or cube them into these small cubes. Then you want to add all of the rhubarb and the strawberry into a small or middle-sized pot, add the sugar to it and add the water to it. Now you want to turn up the heat and bring it to boil. Once boiling, you want to set a timer for 10 minutes and turn the heat down to medium so that it's just slowly simmering. After 10 minutes, give it a good mix, and if you notice that there is a lot of foam on the surface, then also remove the foam. Now we are going to prepare the cornstarch. So you want to start adding water to it. I think I ended up adding 5 to 6 teaspoons of water to the cornstarch, but you can add slowly and just starting to mix it so that it starts to mix in and becomes liquid-like. At the beginning it feels really hard to mix, but you can add more water to help to mix in. You know that the cornstarch has mixed in when it's very easy to mix and it feels water-like and it looks like this. So it's like white water. I don't know how to explain it, but it becomes very liquid-like. Then you want to remove the pot with the strawberries and the rhubarb from heat and mix in the cornstarch. Then return back to heat and allow to come to boil. Once it's come to boil, give it a good mix again and remove from heat. You want to portion the rhubarb and strawberry compote or kissel right away because it will start to set once it's cooling down. So I'm portioning it into these glass dessert glasses because I think the dessert looks the best when you're using glass serving bowls or glasses because you can actually see the layers then. Then leave aside to cool. In the meantime, we are going to make the milk pudding. For that, I have the cornstarch, the sugar and the vanilla paste in a small pot, and I'm adding a little bit of the milk to the pot and mixing everything well. You really don't want to skip the vanilla paste in this one because it gives it the nice taste, and because it's just milk, it's not gonna taste amazing without the vanilla paste. So add the vanilla paste or vanilla extract. After you've mixed it in well, add the rest of the milk and start heating it up on high heat. You want to bring the mix to boil, and then you want to keep on mixing while cooking it on high for about a couple of minutes. You will notice when it starts to get ready, because you will notice how it thickens up and becomes very pudding-like. That's when you can remove it from heat. So here again I will show you how it looks, so it becomes really thick and pudding-like. And it will thicken up even more once it's cooled. Also with this layer you want to portion it right away. Just make sure that the previous layer has cooled. So don't start making the milk pudding before you notice that the previous layer has set and cooled. Then portion it on top and smoothen it out on top. Then if you want, you can make it very fancy by taking one strawberry, dividing it in half and then slicing those halves really finely and adding that as decoration on top. I hope you enjoyed my first signs of spring dessert, and if you did, please don't forget the thumbs up for support and subscribe for some more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.